we will have a block of 3 sessions right now. And hearing user stories, it's always interesting because you learn how memoQ can be used in different scenarios, but also we learn as well. So seeing how clients use it. And we'll have 3 very interesting presentations right now. We will start off with Leandra and Max from Digitec Galaxus, so the largest Swiss e-commerce store, showing us how they have used memoQ with Jira and their own ERP system to chain this into one seamless connection. So enjoy the presentation, and Leandra, Max, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Hi everyone, we are Leandra and Max from Digitec Galaxus, Switzerland. We are here to explain a user story, how we have used the memoQ API to connect our in-house developed ERP to memoQ. Just a little summary. You see 8 numbers. I won't speak so long, but just to see who we are and our challenges and how we solved our little problem. Digitec Galaxus, what is that? It's the Digitec Galaxus is the largest online shop in Switzerland with over 27 million visits per month, more than 6 million products in the portfolio, and over 3 million customers. The number was of 2023, and we are now since 2018, we are also in the rest of Europe. With the rest of Europe, I mean just the neighborhoods, Germany, Austria, France, Italy, and the Netherlands, but we never know. And we are also now across the border of Switzerland. And of course, we are memoQ customers because we have an in-house language services team of 16 people. We are part of the marketing team. We work like an in-house language agency and offer services to our internal stakeholders, such as post-editing, transcreation, blog pages, customer service, UX, navigation, shop navigations, and so on. And we are not alone in our job because we are also stakeholder of our engineering teams and collaborate with them for different projects. For example, machine translation tools, integration, or like in this case for the API integration.
Exactly, and there we have our developer team. Our developer team is 9 heads big. Me right here, full stack engineer. We have a team lead and a product owner, and we are working pretty close with our UX designer to get our customers the best experience. Our products are mainly the editorial content of Digitec Galaxus, and also we are in charge of the promotions and the promotional coupons on Digitec.
And that's why we are the closest stakeholders, because we translate editorial content, and this is one of our challenges. Is just that editorial content, all the blog pages are our unique selling point, because we offer not only products but also a platform to inspire and entertain our customers, and we give also advices. We have product reviews, very, very hard and honest product reviews sometimes, and that's why we have to, for us is quantity and quality is the same, and when the customers are happy, we are happy. And another challenge, other 2 challenges is that this content has increased since 2019, and that our infrastructure and our different stakeholders has to receive a service from us, and that's why we wanted to expand and improve our workflow. maintaining high quality. And I think it's just efficiency and quality are often seen like two different worlds. How can we do this? Our first goal is just automation. We try and use the newest technologies where possible. For example, for some kinds of content we use machine translation, and we try to improve our workflows, connecting, for example, other tools to memoQ, for example, Jira and our in-house ERP, so we can maintain also a relevant quality to use every time at the same translation memories, term basis, and every translation is safe in one place. And yeah, in our daily business we use the three main tools. I think for many companies is so. memoQ as Kettle, of course, we are here. Our home developed ERP. The whole online shop is there, including the content and the Atlassian suite with Jira and Confluence for managing tasks, bugs, and also as intranet. The workflow of the language services team is something like that. That refers to the blog articles, but every translation task has this workflow. We have the authors. They create the content. Then the technical project specialist is in charge to prepare the files, import the files, and the project managers assign the task to per each language. And the translators and reviewers make sure that the product, the translation respects our quality standards and it's on time. But you can imagine, as I started at Digitec Galaxus, we had to copy-paste from ERP to Word, then import the file into memoQ, translate it, deliver it, export it, close, copy-pasted the translation for Word in ERP, and many clicks later we had the translation online. That's not possible anymore. And I'm happy of that. Because we have over 200 articles per month and 70 and 100 Jira tasks per month. Not only, as I said, not only articles, but also the whole shop. And that's why we had to be fast and qualitative. Our solution was we didn't want to have to manually copy-paste the text forever, and that's why we have now, thanks to the memoQ solution engineers, we were able to implement this Jira connector, how we call it, and we can automatically import attached files from Jira to memoQ, and we can have all information that are in Jira, they are also in memoQ, just automatically. And our home developed ERP, for that we needed another approach, because it's not so easy to find third-party solution for an homemade ERP, and that's why our team Clippy integrate memoQ with ERP using a SOAP API. And the result for us, for translators, is that the translation efficiency has increased. We measured this in terms of translated text coverage, and has increased per year from 60% to over 85%. And that's because we don't need to have to click everywhere again. Yeah, now something visual from Max.
First of all, we're going to show you 2 demonstration videos. The first video is going to be about our product. What is a blog page? What is a blog teaser? What are we really translating that you can really picture it yourself? We're going to show it in our shop and at the ERP system. And the second demonstration will be probably to show how we're going to export those documents from our ERP system to memoQ And yeah, we're gonna start right here. On the start of this video, it all will be a little bit fast, so if you have questions in the end, just ask them. We're gonna start on a blog page right here. You can see it's just like a newsletter or something like this, where you can see some content. This is the blog page on our ERP system. It's pretty much equal with all the titles, all the contents in here. Right there, we're going to click onto the advertisement. The advertisement you need to picture like in our system, the mother of everything. You have like the advertisement where you're going to advert something, and then you have the blog page and the blog teasers onto it, where you're going to show some stuff. And right there, you're going to see those teasers in our shop. Those teasers mainly have the function to, how the name is saying, tease those blog pages and get our customers to click on those blog pages and really read those texts. Exactly. So, weiter. Oh, sorry. So, the second one, we also going to start on a blog page right here, and we're going to export it, go into our ERP system. Then we're circling already our blue little memoQ window where you can export it. If you press on the button import to memoQ, there you have a project list of all the projects in memoQ at the moment at Digitec Galaxus. And if you press continue, it will export it to memoQ. You get a little message on to which project you exported it, and at which time and which date. So, and then you can actually open it already in memoQ. In memoQ, you can find your document by the ID of the blog page in the ERP. We made a name convention that it will be in the document's name like the ID and the title of the blog page, and then shortened to 20 letters. So it's easy for the translators to find the document in memoQ. You will see it in a second when it's loaded. And yeah. We also managed to get the blog page and the teasers of the blog page into one memoQ document. It was not so easy because in our ERP there are two different products, so it was a bit of a struggle. Exactly. So now to our newest feature. We had big problems at the moment with we don't have a re-import function of the document, so if the original context gets some changes, we can't re-import it to memoQ. And now we got a feature pretty similar to the first one. We got just a re-import button. You can see pretty much down here. We've mixed it up a little bit. Then we'll get one more project list right here. At the moment, we also have just a feature to re-import it to the same project, but we're working on it to get it to different projects. Exactly. And lastly, we have just information about the files on memoQ itself. We made it on the format of text, also we are exporting in TXT files. And as mentioned before, the name is containing of the ID of the blog page and the title of the article to find it easy. Mm-hmm. Now Leandra will tell you some more.
Thank you, Max. And this is the view from this is the view of our translator. We use also a lot of regular expressions because we have to match the tags that are useful for the structure of the blog page, how it is shown online. And also to separate the teaser, as Max said, the teaser are the main point where the customer can click, and the rest is just the meta information and everything that is in the online page. The last one is just the other implementation that was. This is a bonus demo, the Jira connector. The project has been completed in collaboration with the memoQ solution engineer, Levente. This Jira connector works at the moment only with attached files, but we are working on expand the feature to ERP links. Now we have the ERP part ready and the Jira connector, and then we have to find just a middle for both tools. Und so geht es nicht.
Das ist nicht.
Okay, the video doesn't work. Sorry. Doesn't work.
Das Video habe ich nie getestet.
Maybe so. No. It doesn't work. No.
Denken wir jetzt einfach so.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening. If you have any questions,
Oh,
come to us.
If you go to the video,
No, this,
then click here.
Doesn't work.
no.
If you switch off the presenter slide. If you click here,
Doesn't work.
hide presenter view. And click here.
No, codec unavailable. Maybe I have the video. You can go. That I can just.
But cancel the presentation. Please. So that. If you cancel the presentation now.
Schlusspresentation. Drauf, du musst drauf.
Yes, and now start.
To do so. So.
Ist gut.
So that's how it works. We just introduce this button, and we can choose the template because the code is in the template, and then and the file is in memoQ, and we can also assign translators and reviewers from Jira, and the change is also in memoQ visible. And if we change something in Jira, it updates also memoQ. We save a lot of time with these features with the ERP, with the ERP and with Jira connector. We save a lot of time as project manager, but also we received a lot of positive feedbacks from the translators. So, jetzt muss ich das weg. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions now, or we meet us for a coffee.